If you're experiencing login errors on Netflix, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issues step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by trying to access another website or app. If your connection is unstable, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check the email address and password you are using to log in. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Update the Netflix app. If you're using the Netflix app on a mobile device or smart TV, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's App Store, search for Netflix, and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache and data. For mobile devices, go to your settings, find the Netflix app, and clear its cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. After clearing, reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Netflix customer support for assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues or technical problems that may be causing the login error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Netflix. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from Netflix support.